Odisha is on the highest state of alert for next 3 days because the Prime Minister of the country, Mr. Narendra Modi, is going to be spending next 2 nights in Odisha. The Union Home Minister, Mr. Amit Shah, has already reached there because a meeting has started, which is being, organized by the Intelligence Bureau. It's the DG level meeting. We are being told that about 200 topmost senior officers are there, which are participating in the meeting. The National Security Advisor, Mr. Ajit Doval, is also there. Though it's an annual affair, but it is a little different this time because all these agencies are going to get together and do brainstorming relating many issues which concern the security of the country, and also they are also going to discuss some operational issues which come when they have to conduct some kind of an operation and some difficulties come. So they are also going to discuss how to smoothen them out. As per as the information this time in this conference, issues which are going to be discussed include counter-terrorism, left-wing extremism, coastal security, new criminal laws. This is a basic issue which is going to be discussed, and it's very close to the heart of the Union Home Minister because he says that for people to feel safe, you need to take police to their doorstep, to the beat system. You need to simplify the law. So how to make that happen, those facts are also going to be discussed. This conference is also going to provide an interactive platform for senior police officers and security administrators of the country to discuss and debate the national security issues related to various infrastructural issues also, because now the threat perceptions as far as India is concerned is also changing. The cyber threat is there, the digital arrest is there. So issues concerning cyber threats, digital arrests are also going to be discussed. The Prime Minister himself speaks to the officers directly. So there has to be clarity as far as what the operations are going to be conducted in next 1 year. In fact, the Prime Minister also takes stock of all the assignments or all the tasking which he had given to all these top officers for last 1 year. He takes a review also of that. So this is the first time this meeting is taking place in Odisha after the Prime Minister took oath as a Prime Minister in 2014. Since then this meeting has not taken place in Delhi because he said such type of meetings should be taken out of Delhi also to the smaller towns, smaller cities also. In fact, after 2014, this type of conference has already happened in Guwahati, Run of Kutch, Hyderabad, Tekanpur, also Kevadia, Gujarat, Pune, Lucknow, and also Jaipur. So this is the first time it's happening in Odisha. There is a lot of enthusiasm because the Prime Minister is going to Odisha after the Bharatiya Janata Party has formed a government in Odisha. So a lot of enthusiasm among the party workers also. So a big program has been planned when he lands there. We are also being told on the sidelines the Prime Minister will also meet the members, member of parliaments, and also MLAs of the state to also boost their enthusiasm because BJP formed a government for the first time in Odisha after a long period of time. So both politically and strategically, he's going to engage people. He's going to stay there for 2 nights. He'll be back on Sunday afternoon. Before that, he would be addressing the meeting, the conference. About 200 officers have joined physically this conference because it's already begun, and we are also being told about 200 to 250 would be joining this conference online also. So it's a huge conference which is taking place. In fact, one can say the entire security apparatus of the country right now is in Odisha, either online or physically. Also, this conference also gains significance because Guru Patwant Singh Pannu, another terrorist of SFJ, that is Sikh for Justice, has given a threat saying that he would be doing something there. Keeping that in mind, Odisha police has also made adequate arrangements. In fact, where the conference is taking place, that area has been declared no flying zone, and lot many booths are put on ground to keep the venue safe also.